If I had to describe Ma'am Josie with one word, it would be hero.
Thank you, Ma'am Josie, for teaching us so many lessons and the values of life. Even though you could have had a better life abroad, you still chose to come back and make us better people.
Thank you because you've been with me when I needed you, like, you know what I mean again. Yeah, thank you.
A lot of students see her as a very good teacher. My passion to be a good teacher as well is very much influenced by Ma'am Josie because she has been a very good model, not just to me but also to a lot of other teachers.
As one of your students, ma'am, I'm glad, ma'am, na you helped us, ma'am. Also, na naging blessing ka sa amin, you really God for us, and para hindi kami maano pa yan, mawala pa.